Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are still during the pre-market period. It's August 24th 2021. It's a Tuesday and it's 5:36 a.m. Central Time in the United States, and we are looking at Exela Technologies with the ticker symbol XELA. It's listed on the NASDAQ, and it's a global technology solutions provider, and it works with some of the top companies in the world. So we are looking right now at the pre-market, and if you look right there at the center of your screen, you will see that there hasn't been any price movement. Whereas if we look at yesterday's session, that is Monday's session, there was a drop of almost a percentage point. So Exela ended the day trading at $2.23. If we look at the markets, the S&P futures, it's up. Dow futures, NASDAQ. So all the market indicators are in the green. And what is comforting here is to look at the pre-market for Exela. And you will notice that actually on some days it might be red, it might be negative, but today we have it being neutral, so it hasn't dropped. That is definitely a very good sign. So we might be able to see some very positive numbers today. No guarantees of that on that, of course, but if we look at the trading volume, average trading volume on this stock is about 70 million per day, and last session it was just about 16 million shares that were traded. So what does that tell me? Well, it seems that probably Exela might be consolidating somewhere around this $2.20 mark. If you look at the past 5 days, at the beginning you see there's a quick drop, and then right now it's kind of getting just a little bit level. So we might be led to think that it's kind of consolidating around the $2.20 mark. For the analysts look on this, well, the performance outlook for the short term, that's between 2 to 6 weeks, the analysts think that Exela will be dropping. Mid-term it's gonna go up, and long-term is gonna go up. And I think actually that on the short term, since that stock, looking at it right now, especially today and the past couple of days, it seems to be consolidating. It's dropped, that's true, but it's not dropping as fast as it was like maybe a week ago. So I think it might consolidate here, stay there for maybe a week, and then we see a slow and steady rise. What I like is the volume, because that just keeps it under the radar. So this is a good time if you are thinking about investing in Exela. This might be a good time to sneak in under the radar, grab some shares, and then ride it out once the stock picks up. Because once you see a bandwagon, then it's usually already too late. So this might be a good time to get in. Of course, this is not financial advice. Go ahead, do your own due diligence, and then decide for yourself. If you look right here, also, this is on Google. You can see that there hasn't been any change on the pre-market. So we will just keep an eye on this. For me, no change. That's a good thing. That's good news. But if there's a negative, then that already gives a very, very negative sentiment for when the market opens. So go ahead, keep a close eye on this, and hopefully it picks up during today's session. I think it will, so we will keep an eye on this. Exela is a good buy, and do your own due diligence. I'm not giving you financial advice here. I'm just talking about the stock. Thanks for watching, and see you guys on the next video.